Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is Grammarly audio not working 2026. There can be several common reasons. Microphone or speaker permissions. The browser or app may not have access to your microphone or audio output. Incorrect audio settings. Wrong input-output device, mic, speakers, headset selected. Browser or extension issues. Outdated extension app, bugs, or corrupted cache can affect audio features. Internet connection problems, slow or unstable connection can disrupt audio playback. Text-to-speech feature limitations. Some features may not be available in all modes or regions. Device permission issues. System settings may block microphone or sound access. Hardware issues. Faulty microphone, speakers, or headset can cause no sound. Temporary server issues. Backend problems can affect audio-related features. If the issue continues, check permissions, test your audio device, update your browser extension, clear cache, or contact Grammarly support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.